Hey, what is going on, everybody? Back with a new video, and in today's video we'll be taking a closer look at the OtterBox Defender Series case for the Apple iPhone Air, so stick around. Welcome back, and just a quick heads up, I already unboxed the OtterBox Defender Series case for the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you're interested in that video, I will have it linked below. In terms of the unboxing, you get a rather simplistic presentation from OtterBox with their three famous colors that they're known for, the white, yellow, and black. The top of the box says OtterBox Defender Series Pro, and the bottom of the box says iPhone 17 Air. Now obviously they didn't know when they created this packaging that there was no 17 in the name. However, they're not going to redo the packaging, I'm sure, after they've made mass production of it. Now, to open up the packaging, you just open the top and slide out the case. And my first impressions of the case is that it does feel like it will protect your iPhone Air really well. It feels really solid, and I have to say that it's extremely thin, but of course, that's going to come with the territory, as the iPhone Air is the thinnest iPhone ever made. As you can see, we have a precise cutout for the iPhone Air's camera system. We also have that MagSafe charging logo there in the center, as well as the OtterBox logo and a lined pattern to help with grip. The interior portion of the case is lined with a memory foam style material that's extremely soft to help ensure no scratches on your iPhone Air. OtterBox has been making rugged style cases for the iPhone every year since, if I can remember, the iPhone 3GS. So they have a great reputation in terms of quality, and they have great customer service as well. And this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this case with my own money. Here's a closer look at that soft foam material. As you can see, we do have the OtterBox branding along the interior as well. On the left side of the case, our action button and volume up and down buttons are covered. And on the right side, our power sleep wake button and camera control button are also covered. Now here's the OtterBox Defender Series case for the iPhone Air next to the OtterBox Defender Series case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And as you can see, it's definitely a lot thinner. Here's how the camera cutouts look for the Air and the 16 Pro Max. And as I stated earlier, I have the OtterBox Defender Series case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, so I went ahead and grabbed all three of them so we can do a quick comparison on how they've changed. Here's the left side of all three. Again, we have the action button and the volume up and down buttons covered on all. We have nothing located on the top on all three. And again, on the right side, that power button's covered. And this year, they have covered the camera control button. As you can see, we have the appropriate cutouts on all three for the speaker system. And again, as I mentioned, I do get an OtterBox for every single iPhone every year, and it does help protect my iPhone and keep it looking brand new when I do go for resale. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I did unbox the OtterBox Defender Series case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I will have it linked down below in a playlist, so make sure you click on that playlist. If you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all links will be available in the video description. If this video was informative and helpful in any way, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to be notified of future content. My name's Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.